for apple, so round and so red, hangs from the branch high above my head. B is for that bounces and flies up to the clouds beneath sunny skies. C is for cat with a soft furry purr, loves to nap soundly wrapped up in her fur. D is for dog with a wagging happy tail, always excited without any fail. E is for elephant, so big and so gray, trumpets hello at the close of the day. F is for fishlet that swims in the stream, a silvery flash like a watery dream. G is for Ralph with the neck long and grand, reaching for leaves in a far-off land. H is for house where my family stays, warm and inviting through all of our days. I is for ice cream, a sweet frosty treat, perfect for summer and oh so complete. J is for jellyfish that floats in the blue, wobbling and wiggling, transparent and new. K is for kite that soars in the breeze, dancing and swirling above the green trees. L is for lion with a mighty loud roar, king of the jungle and much, much more. M is for oh, that shines in the night, guiding the way with its soft silver light. N is for nest hip where the little birds sleep, warm and so cozy, secrets they keep. O is for owl that hoots in the dark, wise and so silent, leaving its mark. P is for penguin that waddles with glee, sliding on ice for all eyes to see. Q is for queen in a gown made of lace, smiling serenely with beauty and grace. R is for rabbit that hops in the field, quickly it scurries, its true nature revealed. S is for sun that shines bright and bold, chasing the shadows, a story untold. T is for spring with its branches so wide, where tiny birds nest safely inside. U is for when rain starts to fall, keeps us all dry, standing strong and tall. V is for rattling, a sweet gentle sound, music it makes dancing all around. W is for wow, that swims in the deep, secrets of oceans it forever will keep.